Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to reset Activision password. So first of all, just open up your web browser, then go on to activision.com. Once you're on their website, you will see this button on the top right called login. Click on it. Now over here you have to click on forgot your password. Now you have to type in the email address for the account you want to reset your password. So just put in your email address over here, and then you just have to click on submit. Now all you have to do is go onto your email address, and there should be an email which tells you how to reset your password. This is how to reset your Activision password. It is a really easy process, and in the end you just have to go onto your email account and follow the steps. If you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out.